Hi, hello friends. Today we are going to see about creation of AWS account. So we're going to see the steps how to create AWS account in Amazon Web Console. So firstly, you're supposed to open your search engine like Chrome and then type AWS console sign up. So this will take you to the sign up page. So here we are in a log back in nothing but a complete sign up page. So this is a sign in page. So I'm going to create a new AWS account. So here we are supposed to give a mail ID which is not already used for your AWS console account. Okay, not for your AWS Amazon shopping website. No, here we are talking about AWS console. So I have created a one new account, that is aws.sarveksha@gmail.com. So this is a demo account which I have created to show you demo in creating the account of AWS. So I can give any name. So here I wanted to give a Sarveksha as the name. So here we have an option to verify email address. So the OTP or verification code has gone to my Gmail ID which I have provided. Yes, here it is. So I have copied the verification code and then I have pasted into the AWS console account to verify and then click on verify. Now you can create a password. So I have created a password and then re-entering for the same. So this is the step 1. Let us click on continue for the step 2. So I don't want this to be. So I am creating this for my personal, for my own projects. So I mentioned the same. So I am giving the name, my name, Devikiran Kasreddy, and then I am giving my phone number. So before that I need to select Indian. So I have set a +91. I have my phone number. So country we are into India, right? So I'm selecting India. Address, for the time being you can select anything. I'm just selecting the default my village proper. So this is not like very mandatory, you can give. So customers within Indian contact address are served by Amazon Internet Service Private Limited, which is nothing but ASPL. ASPL is the local seller for AWS service in India. Okay, I have read, and this is the agreement. If you want, you can see and go through it. So this is the step 2. The important part is while creating the AWS account, you are supposed to have the credit card. Okay, it will show here credit card or debit card, but ultimately for your AWS account to function properly, you are supposed to have credit card. Fine. So now I'll try with my debit card. I'll try to show you with debit card. So this is one of my debit card. So I have entered expiration date and everything, card number, debit card number and everything, and I have also given my billing address and so and so. So do you have a PAN? Yes, I have a PAN. So I just wanted to mention that as well. So I'm trying to mention that and I'm going for the next step. So step 3. So what Amazon Pay is doing? Amazon Pay is doing like an OTP has been sent to my registered mobile number for the authentication purpose. Let me check. So see what happens. See, the payment method cannot be verified. Check your information and try again. So this is because I have entered the debit card. If you enter the credit card information and you go on clicking the next button for the complete sign up, automatically you will be created, your AWS account will be created. So that will be the steps. So if you try to go the debit card, it will not allow you. Even though it asks for the debit card information, it's not going to allow you. You guys understood? Thank you for watching video. This is how you create your account and all. After creating the account, I'll show you how it will be. So this is the sign in page where I'm trying to sign up. See, this is my mail ID where I have I'm going to enter the capture security check. That's my password. And then I have a MFA code as well, double security thing. This you will be knowing in future classes. So I'm going to enter the MFA code. Yeah, that's my code. See, this is how a successful AWS account login. These are all the things. Further classes, I'll be helping all on every service.